Hello guys, now I am telling about OpenAI GPT-4 technical report. So those are my batchmates. Now I am telling about GPT-4. GPT-4 is a notable multimodal model which it will take both image and text and it will give outputs. GPT-4 holds significant promise due to its applicability in broad spectrum of applications, including dialogue systems and text and machine translation. It has gained more attention and shown the progress in past years. So the paper proposed to explore the architecture in detail, including the number of parameters and layers. It also intends to compare with the architecture of GPT-3 to highlight advancements. The paper aims to discuss on how the architecture contributes to the model. It also aspires to describe the training process, including the dataset used in training. The paper also includes the explanation of any unique techniques or optimizations applied during training. The paper envisions insights into the computational requirements for training GPT-4. So my friend will continue this.
Thank you, Revant. I'll be talking about the motivation and significance of the paper. So, motivation of the paper, the primary aim of developing GPT-4 is to enhance its proficiency in understanding and generating natural language text with a particular focus on intricate and nuanced context. GPT-4 underwent evaluations using various exams originally designed for human test takers. These evaluations consistently demonstrated its commendable performance, often surpassing the capabilities of any majority of human participants. An illustrative instance of GPT-4's competence can be seen in its simulated bar exam performance, where it achieved a remarkable score ranking in the top 10% of test takers, serving as a stark contrast to GPT 3.5, which scored in the bottom 10%. The significance of the paper addresses the challenges of developing deep learning infrastructure and optimization methods that perform predictably across various scales. It also highlights how addressing this challenge enables better predictions of GPT-4's performance, boosting confidence in its training. The paper emphasizes the limitations of GPT-4, including reliability issues, limited context, and inability to learn from experience despite its capabilities. It also underscores the need for caution when using GPT-4 outputs, especially in the context where reliability is critical. GPT-4's capabilities and limitations introduce novel safety challenges, making them a crucial area for research. The paper conducts a comprehensive risk assessment addressing concerns related to bias, disinformation, privacy, cybersecurity, and proliferation. It also discusses proactive interventions to mitigate potential harms stemming from GPT-4 deployment. These include adversarial testing with domain experts in implementing a model assisted safety pipeline. The paper's insights are significant as they have implications for societal impact, emphasizing the importance of addressing these challenges. Now, my friend will take over.
So hi guys, so I'm here to explain about the experimental setup and result. So coming to the experimental setup, training data. The model underwent training on extensive data such as web pages and other textual content. This approach ensured that the model was exposed to a broad spectrum and architecture choice. The use of transformer-based architecture was a key aspect of this experimental setup. This choice facilitates the model in learning long-range dependencies within the data, enabling it to capture intricate patterns and relationships. Coming down to the fine-tuning process, the model underwent fine-tuning across various tasks, including language modeling, question answering, and summarization. This multitask fine-tuning approach aimed to enhance the model versatility and adaptability across different language-related applications. And performance optimization technique is the other one where where it employing the various techniques including data augmentation, regularization, and it plays an important role in enhancing the model overall performance. And coming down to the next slide, results. Here, the task performance in the task for performance, the model demonstrated superior performance compared to the previous state-of-the-art models across a range of language tasks. This include language modeling and question answering, and showcasing the effectiveness of training and fine-tuning process. Text generation capabilities, the result highlighted the model proficiency in generating coherent and diverse text. This feature makes the model applicable to the wide range of tasks, such as chatbot interactions and language translations. And coming to the cautionary note, a cautionary note emphasized the necessity for careful consideration when utilizing GPT-4 outputs, especially in context where real reliability is paramount, and call for the improvement, encouraging efforts to make language models like GPT-4 better and more reliable as they grow, and suggesting the creation of evaluation tools to ensure the trust and transparency. Next slide, please. So here in the example one, we can see uh, the example prompt demonstrating ChatGPT for visual input capabilities. The prompt consists of a question about an image with multiple panels like panel 1, 2, and 3, which GPT-4 is able to answer. And coming down to the next slide, in example 2, here we can see the ChatGPT-4 performs at a level similar to the humans on many professional and academic tests. It even scores in the top 10 of an simulated uniform bar examination. We simulate real exam conditions and scoring, and GPT-4 generally does better than GPT 3.5 on most exams. However, to be cautious, we report the lower end of percentile range, which might create something in exams with broad scoring categories like AP exams. Here on, my friend will take over.
Hey guys, I'm going to talk about the strength and the limitation of the GPT-4. So let's start with the strength. So one of the key strength of the GPT-4 is its the ability to understand and generate a wide range of the natural language text, including both formal and the informal language, which make it useful for wide range of applications, such as language translations, text summarizations, answering the questions, and it's also capable of learning from wide range of data sources, which means like it can be fine tuned for specific tasks and the domains, and like means making it very highly versatile and the adaptable. GPT-4 is a significantly larger and the more powerful than the GPT-3 with 170 trillion parameter compared to the GPT-3's 175 billion parameters. GPT-4 also has the potential to be used for other tasks, such as image and the video generations. This is because like GPT-4 is built on the transformer architectures, which has also shown to be effective for a variety of machine learning tasks, including computer vision. GPT-4 also ability to understand and generate natural language, that text could make it useful for machine translation applications. Next slide, please. So GPT-4's image analysis goes beyond the description of the pictures, like in the same demonstrations, like an open AI representative sketch an image of simple websites and feed the drawing to the GPT. In addition to its impressive language processing abilities, there are more strengths such as like performance on the sensitive traits attribute across demographic, personal identification evaluations, like extending text only visuals to the multi models. Next slide, please. So there are also some limitations of GPT-4, such as like it contracts by the extensive set of human crafted guardrails that seeks to prevent it from like being offensive or off the wall. It commands of language other than English is limited. It's just only in English. It does not analyze audio or video. It still makes like arithmetic error which such as like calculator would avoid it. A red teamer tested GPT-4 with key limitations such as if two separate text components were closely located in an image, the model would occasionally combine that text. Limited contextual understanding, like although GPT-4 can generate impressive response based on provided prompts, the lack of the ability to retain contextual information over long passage of text, it can lead to the inconsistency or the contradictory statements when asked to generate text beyond the certain length. Now I hand over to my friend Pargo.
So, hello guys. I'm gonna conclude this research report. So, we have described GPT-4 as it is a massive multimodal model that performs on scales which is compared to the humans thinking sorry for disturbance. So, because it's been trained on 175 trillion parameters, and one notable aspect mentioned in the above GPT-4, typically evaluated in English, is extended to various languages, obviously, showing its versatility. The scalability of model is highlighted, suggesting that the predicted scaling of the system enabled it for accuracy improvements. However, text also acknowledges that with increased capabilities comes the new risks. It poses a potential challenges and results employed to comprehend and enhance safety of the alignment of the model. We go over some of the approaches and findings used to better understand and align and enhance GPT-4 safety. Next slide, please. So despite these advancements, the statement concludes by nothing. There was still much more to be done, but GPT-4 is recognized as a significant stride towards development, wide applicable and safely deployable AI system. As you know that even though there is still much to be done, definitely GPT-4 is a big step in direction of a much more secure and robust AI system development. Thank you.